Draw. Draw. I draw pictures when I am bored. Drink. Drink. I drink water every morning. Eat. Eat. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Read. Read. I read a book before going to bed. Whisper. Whisper. I whisper when I don't want to disturb others. Lie. Lie. I lie down on the couch after work. Clap. Clap. I clap my hands after the show. Whistle. Whistle. I whistle when I'm happy. Work out. Work out. I work out at the gym to stay fit. Listen. Listen. I listen to music while walking. Scream. Scream. I scream when I see something scary. Repair. Repair. I repair my bike when it breaks down. Wink. Wink. I wink at my friend to make them laugh. Think. Think. I think about what to do next. Greet. Greet. I greet my neighbors every morning. Pray. Pray. I pray before going to sleep. Yawn. Yawn. I yawn when I'm sleepy. Sleep. Sleep. I sleep for 8 hours every night. Talk. Talk. I talk to my family on the phone every day. Wave. Wave. I wave goodbye when the bus leaves. Shout. Shout. I shout when I need help. Wait. Wait. I wait for my friend at the cafe. Cook. Cook. I cook dinner every evening. Laugh. Laugh. I laugh at funny jokes. Sing. Sing. I sing in the shower every morning. Cry. Cry. I cry when I watch sad movies. Write. Write. I write emails to my colleagues. Shake hands. Shake hands. I shake hands when I meet someone new. Run. Run. I run in the park every weekend. Dance. Dance. I dance at parties with my friends. Study. Study. I study English every day to improve my skills. Smile. Smile. I smile when I am happy. Shut. Shut. I shut the door quietly. Drink. Drink. I drink coffee in the afternoon. Eat. Eat. I eat pizza on Fridays. Read. Read. I read the newspaper in the morning. Write. Write. I write emails at work. Draw. Draw. I draw pictures when I am bored. Sleep. Sleep. I sleep for 8 hours every night. Sing. Sing. I sing in the shower every morning.